One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today's video is a summer clean with me, and I have been so excited to finally be able to say those words. The weather has definitely picked up lately, and whenever it's hot and sunny, it always just makes me want to really clean my house, just get it nice and cozy. It's not too messy today, so all I need to do is quickly whiz round, put a few bits away, and then we can go in and do a bit more of a deeper clean. I am going to be trying to work through the majority of my house today. We're just going to see how much we can get done. Okay, so this is what I'm working with, and like I said, it's not too messy, so it will only take a few minutes to whiz round and get everything put away. And then, as you can see, I need to do the kitchen as well because that's quite messy, but I did do most of the washing up before I went to bed, so I've only got like a few bits to do there, and then I can just give everything a good wipe over and a good clean. I already had a wash load in this morning because I did it yesterday and then completely forgot to hang it up because I've been doing that more and more lately. So I've put that back into wash and it's now ready to hang up because I need to strip the bed and get the bedding put in. So I've got quite a lot to do today. If I do get round to it, I'm also going to be doing the bunny's cage, but that might need to wait until tomorrow. But the first thing I'm going to do is head upstairs, strip the bed, and then tackle this front room.
Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. I need you, baby. I need you, baby. Oh. I was on the bed when you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on a fake smile, even though I'm wasting time. I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest.
Okay, so I've got the bedding in the wash and I've hung up the wash load that I did this morning, and I have decided to do the bunny cage tomorrow because that way I can do all of the ironing and everything tomorrow because all of the clothes will be dry. So I just want to focus on actually getting the washing done today, and then I'll focus on everything else tomorrow. But right now I just want to carry on with the front room, the kitchen, and then we can head back upstairs to the bedroom.
Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. Maybe I can be a rock star, playing songs on my guitar. I know I have to be somewhere else to be able to find myself. Shouldn't be so complicated. If I listen to my heart, I'm gonna leave it all behind. Find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now.
Okay, so once I had the front room all picked up and nice and tidy, I headed through into the kitchen, and I feel like this room always looks 10 times worse than it is. Like, it never actually takes as long to do as I think it's going to. So I just want to whiz around, put everything back where it belongs, and pop that washing up away that I did the night before. I just let it all air dry overnight, so I'm just going to whiz round, do a quick pickup, and then give everything a good clean.
I don't want to be trapped in a box. I
looking for you now and then. Someone just like you, who can make me feel the way you do. 'Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. Let's run away. All I need is you, now and always. You and me, we don't need no one else than each other. You and me. We could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind. It could be glorious, glorious. Glorious, glorious. It could be glorious, glorious. Glorious, glorious. Say what you feel. I don't even know if this is real. How can you like me? You're as close to perfect as anyone can be. You and me, we don't need no one else than each other. You and me. We could run away. You and me together, baby, we don't gotta stay. We don't have to stay. Let's lose our minds. We could go crazy and leave it all behind. It could be glorious, glorious. Glorious, glorious. It could be glorious, glorious. Glorious, glorious. Cause if I'm the ocean, you're the rain. We only need each other, baby, you know we're the same. It could be glorious, glorious. Glorious, glorious. It could be glorious, glorious. Glorious, glorious.
You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me.
Okay, so it was now time to head back through into the front room, and I always like to do a quick pickup first before going in to do more of a clean, just in case I don't have time to do a big clean. At least everywhere's tidy, but on this day I did have time, so I'm heading back through to give everything a good dust off because I just love doing the dusting. I think it smells so fresh and clean and it just sort of finishes the room off. So I'm going to go in and do that, and then I can also hoover and just get this room nice and finished.
Solo, wait a second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out.
Okay, so I'm still completely in love with his coffee table. I picked it up from Facebook Marketplace and upcycled it, and I just love how it turned out. And I've also taken the decor from the bedroom and I'm just using it as a centerpiece on here. I always say shop your home first. I do that all the time. I'm always just moving things around to make an area look nice and new and fresh, and I think this worked really well. If you are interested in furniture upcycles, then go ahead and follow me on my new Instagram account. I'm going to have it linked down in the description box, so you can go ahead and give me a follow.
I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. 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 Reach out to me.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance, take a chance.
Okay, so I'm now in the bedroom and I'm just going to take the fan out to give myself a bit more room because this bedroom is already tiny, so I need all the space to work with. So I'm just going to go ahead and give everything a wipe down with my polish and then go in and give it a hoover before making the bed. I just like doing those two things whenever I'm making the bed because it just makes the bedroom feel 10 times cozy. And yeah, I just love the feeling of a nice fresh bedroom in the evenings when we come up to bed. So I'm just going to give everything a wipe over, a hoover, and then we can make the bed.
But it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get close with me. We'll do you good, 'cause I am golden or golden. Get next
You set the fire and tone to your promised land.
Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really hope that you found all the motivation that you came looking for. Do go ahead and leave today's video a thumbs up if you did, and also consider subscribing before you leave so you don't miss any of my future uploads, and I'll see you guys back here in the next one.
It's heaven or hell. It's like knowing all the answers. Oh, you're sorry, but you know.